I know you. I know
I
you.
you.
I know you.
Oh,
So
bitch.
this nigga streaming for sure.
Nah.
Yeah, man, me a stream. What go on you?
Huh?
Yo, the nigga. Nah. Yo, YouTube. Back again. Daily uploads, like, for like your real day. I don't know how this thing working, but all I know, we on Omegle this time, bro. Listen. Road to 200 subs, like the video, subscribe. And again, this video not going shout out, man. I'm gone, man. What's going on?
No, I got a question. Where did you get that hat from? Did you get it from Walmart? Does Walmart have them?
Yeah, Walmart got him.
Oh, they do. Oh,
Yeah.
because I've seen a lot of people have them on their head, but I didn't see them. I wasn't sure if you had to like order it or something. Order it, or if like a special name brand sells them or something. 'Cause I was trying to get some to wear on my head because I think they're.
Caucasian Nation, I'm going to ask that you respectfully leave the live. This is an African family conversation. Caucasian Nation, Snow Bunny Brigade, Neanderthal community, I'm going to ask you to please leave the live. I'm talking to Africans right now. This is not a space for Caucasian Nation, Neanderthal Nation, Snow Bunny Brigade. Please exit the live. Now.
That was the light skin collection right there. That individual, man.
Are you Duke?
Blaze me.
Blaze me.
Blaze me.
Blaze me.
Blaze me.
Blaze me.
Right. You caught me,
You
man.
Tight shit.
I'm due, man. You caught me, man. I'm due. That's gotta be it.
Hey.
Yo,
Why'd you just get so serious?
I'm so hyped right now.
I was just yawning on some shit. I was tired as hell.
Oh.
Like, what's your cat doing there?
She's following her shadow. She's looking around.
She look creepy as hell. I know you. I know
I
you.
you.
I know you. This nigga said, yo, we both got braces. Like, yo.
Literally.
That is so crazy.
Why is you on this? Like, is this a daily thing, bro?
No.
You just be on this
I'm
shit
bored.
for fun. Nah, the odds is crazy. Like, I really caught your ass again.
Happens to people all the time, actually. There's this one person that literally follows me everywhere. I swear. Like, I see this person every single time I come on here. Like, it's actually really crazy.
Now, listen. Genuine ass question, though. I would have never asked this, but since we ran into each other again, might as well. Why did you skip me the first time?
Because this is meant for short time talk. I can do it again.
Right. Type shit.
This is like, I don't know. It's like and then you're here, and you're gone. And then,
I get that. I get that. Listen, I ain't even mad about it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even mad
like,
about
there's
it.
been, I never, like, the people that I don't run into again, I know that I'll never see them ever again. So, like, there's just no point. And sometimes I do come across that one person, and I talk to them for a long time, but a lot of people, they're just like, eh.
Like, you do like TikTok or like social media or something? Like, any like social media?
Only on Instagram.
Oh,
So
bitch.
this nigga streaming for sure.
Nah.
Yeah, man, me a stream. What go on you?
Huh?
Yo, the nigga. No.
Right, no.
Why was that funny as hell? Nah, this nigga said, huh? Bro, I hit that nigga with yo, that's going to the front of the video. Hold on, bro.
Better than you think. It seems like they are stepping up their game with this.
You look like somebody.
Right.
Jaywit?
Huh?
Are you Jaywit?
Nah. Me getting recognized would be OC. I don't got that kind of emotion though. That poster is OC. You're a gooner. You're a gooner.
I'm a gooner?
Bro, what's that poster? You're a gooner.
You know what you are, bro?
Nah,
You're my bro. You sound. Hey,
nah, I don't dab up gooners, bro. Like, what you been doing with that hand, bro? Yeah, you doing something suspicious,
hey, have a good
man.
one.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
Bro, on the black. What's it, the black queen? Skip me, bro. I need the black queen.
It's like I'm a 55 overall, no badges.
Yo, what's goody?
Your coon chip will activate. It only takes a little bit of white brainwash to activate the coon chip in the average Negro.
Is that weed? Oh, nah, you country. I hear the music. Okay.
Like this nigga. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yo, you look like somebody, bro.
Shut your bitch ass up. This nigga like him, bro.
Yo, bro, I forget Doc and that, you know.
Bro, why you talking to me, nigga? I don't want to talk to your dirty ass, nigga.
Yo, I'm gonna get Doc and that, you know, you. Don't disrespect me, now you. Doc, please.
Yo, maps that me tipping on my brain with a sim. Man, I sinner, you know, hear some sick. We burn body pan the lane where me live. I want wild daddy, me nah, no tear me, nah, me. No shame, me, nah, this, yeah.
Yo, why that nigga look at the camera like that? Nah, turn your ass in and switch teams,
Now,
nigga.
when I put my nuts in your mouth,
Stop
I don't want to
playing
hear
with me,
no
nigga.
more. I don't want to hear no more.
Stop playing with me, nigga. Do not let this Omi shit fool you, nigga. I'll turn your ass in and switch teams, nigga.
Take the bonnet off. Take the bonnet off, gang. Please take it off.
Bro, do not let this shit fool you, nigga.
itching to blow this bitch on God, nigga. Keep playing me, nigga. Keep playing me, nigga. I'm gonna stick my balls in your mouth when I'm done with you.
Boy, I've been itching to use this switch. Don't ever disrespect me like that,
A
nigga.
nigga with braces not hard. Just had to let that be said. You a bitch.
Nigga.
You a bitch.
Ain't no nigga with curly hair hard, nigga. Ain't no nigga in the hood got curly hair, nigga. Fuck is you talking about?
These freeforms, dumbass. These freeforms.
Ain't no nigga in the
No.
hood got curly hair, nigga. Fuck is you
These
talking about?
freeforms, nigga. These freeforms.
Lame, man, nigga.
These
Lame,
freeforms.
man. I feel goosey up, but yo, goddamn, yo. I'm not even trying to know deal with them, no. Goose them, no. Send to Duffy on him.
I don't know what you're saying, gang.
Yo. Yeah. Good thing, yeah.
All right.
Hello. How are you doing today?
What? Yo, where did you go, bro? What happened? Oh, you back? I couldn't see.
How are you doing?
You just disappeared again, bro. Oh, you back again, bro.
You're not funny, dude. It's not okay, man. I'm not worried about it. I'll look better than you anyway.
My bad, bro. My bad.
You're good. I accept your apology.
Damn, you disappeared again.
Okay, bro. We're not doing this, bro. We're not doing
Low blow, chat. Low blow. I know.
Yo, what's good?
It's good, my dog.
You're like looking over here. Is your monitor over here?
Yes. Bro, you're not looking at the camera either. Like, what?
No, I am. Trust me.
Bro, your camera's over there and you're looking at your monitor, bro. Now you're looking at the camera. See? You were never looking at the camera before. You're trying to call me out on something he's doing. Like, be for real, bro. Be for real. Okay, now this nigga just turned into a freak, bro.
Play that shit. Sipping quickly, forgot it was mud. I don't cross, so I couple with drugs. Think I don't know when my time gonna come. I'm at the bottom, back where I begun.
This is a little bit too much for me.